Why does the sun appear to rise in the east and set in the west?
The apparent motion of the sun rising in the east and setting in the west is due to the Earth's rotation on its axis from west to east. Here's a more detailed explanation. Have you ever watched a sunrise or sunset and wondered, why does the sun always seem to come up in the east and go down in the west? Today, let's explore a simple idea. The sun is not really moving around us each day. It's our Earth that is spinning. Imagine Earth as a big spinning ball in space. Earth spins, or rotates, around an invisible line that passes through the North Pole and the South Pole. This invisible line is called Earth's axis. It takes about 24 hours for Earth to make one full spin. That's what gives us one whole day. Earth spins in a specific direction, from west to east. That direction is the key to understanding why the sun seems to move across our sky. Now imagine you are standing on Earth, on the side facing away from the sun. At that time, it is night for you. Your side of Earth is in darkness. As Earth spins from west to east, your place on Earth slowly turns into the sun's light. When your location first turns into the light, you see the sun appear on the horizon in the east. That moment is called sunrise. Earth keeps spinning in the same direction. Because of that, as time passes, the sun seems to move higher and higher into the sky. During the day, Earth is still spinning. You don't feel the motion, but it is always happening. As your part of Earth keeps turning, it eventually begins to face away from the sun again. Now the sun appears lower in the sky, closer to the horizon, but this time in the west. Finally, your location turns completely away from the sun's light, and the sun seems to disappear below the western horizon. That is sunset. So, the sun seems to rise in the east and set in the west because Earth spins from west to east. It's not just the sun. At night, if you watch carefully, the stars and the moon also seem to travel across the sky from east to west. But remember, they are not all racing around Earth every day. It is Earth's rotation that makes everything in the sky look like it is moving. Here's an easy way to picture it. Imagine you are sitting on a slowly turning merry-go-round in a park. There is a lamppost standing still nearby. The lamppost is not moving. It stays in one place. But as you spin, it looks like the lamp moves from one side of your view to the other. The same thing happens with Earth and the sun. The sun is like the lamp. It hardly moves during one day compared to Earth. Earth is like the merry-go-round. It spins, and that spin makes the sun seem to move across the sky. You often hear people say, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That is a very good rule for understanding the general idea. In reality, the exact spot where the sun rises changes slightly during the year because Earth's axis is tilted and Earth goes around the sun. Sometimes the sun rises a bit north of east or a bit south of east. Earth spins from west to east, so the sun appears to move from east to west. Let's quickly recap what we learned. First, Earth spins around its axis once every 24 hours. Second, this spin is from west to east. Third, because of this, the sun appears in the east at sunrise, moves across the sky, and disappears in the west at sunset. So the next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, you will know the secret. It isn't the sun racing around us. It's our beautiful planet, Earth, quietly spinning in space. And that is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Thanks for watching.